What are the major factors impacting cost of PV Genset controller with all required major components? Hi, I'm Shaf Ali from ICSS Engineering. We specialize in solar SCADA and control systems required for safe and productive integration of grid-tied renewable solar energy in existing power infrastructures for industries and commercial applications. We, ICSS Engineering, go through a great length to ensure smooth and productive commissioning of PV Genset controller for each site. We do not just provide controller, we provide whole solution including all required hardware pre-integrated into specialized enclosures. In order for us to understand site requirement, we need to have following information for each site. This enables us coming up with a productive techno-commercial proposal for each site. Solar size in kilowatts, but you are about to install. Average load of site. Inverter brand. Which inverter brands are you planning to use? Is it Huawei, Solis, Sungrow, Goodwe, Growatt, or any other one? Maximum load of site in amperes. Number of inverters to be installed on site. Is there any load that will only run on grid and not on generator? Specify if you are using any cluster controller like SmartLover 3000, Sungrow Commodate E, Goodwe Sec 1000 or any other one in your application. Is there any main breaker for all connected load? City and country of installation. What is the bus bar cable size for generator and grid incoming? Cable distances between auto manual switchover panel and solar inverter number 1 to solar inverter number N. Total number of generators including large small generators. Are generators imported or local? Number of diesel generators. Number of gas generators. If multiple generators, can they run in sync? Are generators sync with grid? And we also need single line drawing of the site. I am also sharing a link to Google form where you can fill in the required information requested above. For each of your site, attach single line drawing of site and send it to us. In result, we will compile a detailed techno-commercial proposal for your site. We have and will be covering more topics related to PV microgrid design, PV genset controllers and solar SCADA monitoring. Check out this video's description for the links. You can browse this YouTube channel for PV genset hybrid projects based on Energy PK PV diesel controller. You can also visit our website www.icssww.com for details. For local and international Energy PK PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. We are glad to offer much required solar operation and maintenance SCADA system called PV SCADA Max. PV SCADA Max is a complete O&M SCADA solution for medium, large or very large scale PV solar integration projects. Salient features of PV SCADA Max are high level of scalability from 100 kilowatt to multiple gigawatts. Real-time monitoring of each grid-tied solar inverter and its respective strings. Real-time alerts and alarm logs in case of any alarms on inverters. Real-time monitoring of energy mix between various sources, for example, grid, solar, and generators against weather data. Transparency of energy generation and consumption reporting. Historical trending of parameters. Integration of data from third-party SCADA control equipment or process-sensitive instruments. Fact-based data for root cause analysis. For local and international Energy PK PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. Thank you for your time. Thank you.